Tyrannosaurus dinosaur. You show it to me, Matthias. What's in here? Explain. I know that's black. What's in this part? That's the what? That's the head in here. The head, the nose down in here. And what's in here? The neck. How about there, Ezekiel? Tail. These are the body and the legs. Very big. Good job, boys. Yeah, and with their kuan. While they're building, they're listening. Educational video. Lunchtime na, lunchtime, go. Meat and cheese and crackers. Oh, bless you.
I don't like the tiny letter things.
That's a cheese, love.
That was it.
Naku, kaayong. Ang taas, ah. Tingnan na kataas ang ilang i-build. Taas. Mas lang hilig na sila mag-build. Two blocks. Taas pa silang robot. Taas pa sa robot ni Ezekiel. Taas pa sa iyang dako nga robot.